Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Windows 10 update error 0x80d02002, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the procedure. First of all, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Then copy this set of command lines and paste it here. These services will start stopping and then the software distribution folder would be renamed and then the services will be started again. Similarly, you can reset the cat2 folder which has been explained over the separate article. All you need to do is copy and paste these commands to the elevated command prompt window. The third solution would be to run the DISM tool, which helps repair missing and corrupt system files. So copy this command, go to the elevated command prompt window and paste it here. Then hit enter and the DISM scan will be invoked. Lastly, you can also consider running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, press the start button, go to settings, scroll down to update and security, go to troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters, then you'll find the Windows Update Troubleshooter here. Select run the troubleshooter to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.